Are you thinking about joining Genusity? If so, watch this. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video I want to talk about the network marketing opportunity, business opportunity known as Genusity. So I got involved with Genusity a little over a year ago, and I get a lot of questions. I obviously promoted a lot at the end of my videos and stuff like that, and I'm just going to give my opinion on it. If you're watching this, maybe you're thinking about joining Genusity. So I'm going to give you, an idea of what you need to know before you make that decision. Now, if you're not into the whole network marketing opportunity thing, then Genusity might not be for you, but it could be for you because network marketing businesses usually get a bad name because they're usually based off of you can only make money when you build a big team underneath you and everybody, has to make thousands of dollars for you to profit. Where Genusity is a little different. You can literally just focus on selling products and making commissions without even building a team. Now, do I recommend building a team with Genusity? Yeah, because you could just make more money. You know what I mean? But you don't have to, and you can still earn some decent money. Now, Genusity, when it comes to their products, Genusity started mainly as a advertising opportunity for people. We offer these little beacons. Hold on, let's see if I got mine. Yeah, this right here is called a BB Sport. I usually put this on my keys, or you can put it on your wrist. They give you like a little, like a watch thing. You can put it in there, whatever. This little thing transmit whatever ad that you want to put on here. You got a little back office, and you can promote any business that you want, right? Within a 50-mile radius, your ad will pop up on Androids, iPhones, laptops, desktops, tablets, whatever. Your ad will be seen. So if you're in another network marketing company, if you have your own product, you can actually straight up, boom, offer these to people who need promotion, or you can use these for yourself to promote your own business, right? But this is the primary product, that came out when Genusity first came out. It was all about these beacons and proximity marketing devices, right? So then about 4 or 5 months ago, they expanded their product line and they added CBD products, which if you're not familiar with CBD products, look it up because it's a huge industry. It's fairly new and it's already $1 billion industry, and I'm sure you probably haven't seen CBD stuff everywhere. It's getting bigger every day. But Genusity decided to actually get into that, and they came out with a nano patch CBD product that you can put on any part of the body, and it actually gets the CBD quicker into your bloodstream. All right, to make it more effective, quicker, right? So that was their premier, CBD product, which was selling like crazy. So you got that. Then they actually added a couple of the oils, CBD oils, and they just came out with CBD anti-aging cream, to keep people looking youthful, bright, and happy. They just came out with that like a week ago. Depending on when you're watching this, it's May. So they came out with this like the second week in May, right? The anti-aging cream also has apple stem cells in it, right? So now, if you decide to jump on with Genusity, you have several high demand products that you can promote, right? You can do just the advertising beacon devices, or you can do CBD products, which both are, billion-dollar industries, or you can combine the two. You can literally promote both of them, right? And you can actually get your own beacon device, and you can actually promote the CBD products on your proximity advertising beacons. All right, so that's how you can actually combine, just combine everything that's going on with Genusity into like one huge home business for yourself, as well as building your own team, right? If you want, like I said, you can literally sit back and just promote the CBD products. That's all you do. Or you can sit back and just sell these to local businesses and other marketers. Or, you can build a team as well, or do everything. That's what I do. So guys, like, in my opinion, if you're looking for a network marketing company, right? Everything that you would want in a network marketing company, Genusity does have it. It's just a matter of A, do you want to promote the products? And B, are you serious about network marketing? Because any of this stuff online, you have to be ready to grind. You know what I mean? To some level, whether you get started with this business, are you going to get flyers made? Are you going to, do YouTube videos to promote? Who calling me? Are you going to do, Facebook advertising? Are you going to promote on Instagram? Whatever. You got to have a strategy, because so many people, contact me about Genusity. So many people, opt in to learn about Genusity, and they do nothing with it. And it tells me that there's some sort of disconnect, because if you're into or looking into network marketing, to me, where else you going to go far as, like, if you want to make good commissions, Genusity. If you want good products, Genusity. If you want great support, Genusity. If you want cool landing pages, Genusity. So I think some people just get into it like, oh, cool, but they don't want to put no effort in. So if you're willing to put that effort in and learn and attend the webinars that they provide, use some of the products, and no, you do not have to buy the products to promote them. That's another cool thing about Genusity. It's recommended, so you know what you talk about, but it's not a requirement that you have to buy CBD products, that you have to buy the beacon devices to be to start your own business with it. You don't have to, right? So, I mean, I'm trying to be as detailed as possible, because so many people ask me about it, and I'm like, it's very clear. It's very simple. So if you're interested in Genusity, you can join. The link is below in the description. Just look. There's a lot of stuff down there, but just look and you'll see the Genusity link. Also, my phone number is in the description. So if you got any questions, you can shoot me a text or leave me a voicemail, and I'll get back to you. But guys, only if you're serious and you're ready to grind a little bit. Once you join Genusity, you'll actually be able to join our private Facebook group, and that is where you will network with the owners, top sellers, me, you name it. And once you get involved with it, it is like a very like family atmosphere, and everybody there is willing to help you. So if you're serious, you will see some success with it. All right. I know this video was long, but it is what it is. All right. So you're interested in Genusity, link in the description. Also, be sure to give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it or learned something. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, because you see I'm on here dropping that content. Till the next time. Peace.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.